Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna make a pasta soup, which originally in Egypt called Lesan Asfour, which literally means a bird tongue, because of the shape of macaronis we're using here. It has a lot of variations, you can use different vegetables, make it with meat. We are gonna make it with chicken and potatoes. And let's start with cutting the chicken. Make it into cubes. For seasoning the chicken, I'm gonna use salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and the chicken powder. When the chicken is mixed, you can take it aside so we can start cutting the potatoes. We are making cubes here too, as you see. We are gonna add our pasta in a hot oil. Fry it here until it's brown. Let's add the chicken in the pot as well now. Fry them both a bit. Now when our macaronis are nicely brown, we're gonna add the water. And the potatoes. We're gonna let it boil here until the chicken is ready. Cover it so it can boil nicely. In the meanwhile, let's take some foam off. Let's put some salt and pepper for taste. So, after 15 minutes, our soup is ready. Serve. Lesan Asfour is usually served with lemon. It's healthy, quick and delicious. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.